Welcome to CoinChanger, your go-to platform for effortless cryptocurrency transactions. Today, we're thrilled to introduce a groundbreaking feature that will redefine the way you transfer Ethereum from BITTREX to PayPal, Skrill or bank in 2024. And the best part? No registration or complicated verification required. You can start instant exchanges and trade your crypto on CoinChanger. With CoinChanger, we've simplified everything, ensuring a seamless experience for you. Let's dive right in. Begin by visiting the CoinChanger website, which is linked in the description here. Once you're on CoinChange, you can select your crypto pair, in which you can select your cryptocurrencies which you want to cash out or exchange to another cryptocurrency. After entered the amount you wish to trade, then you should continue by clicking on exchange. Now enter your address where you want to receive the money or crypto and a contact email address where you will receive support and the order confirmation. We value your privacy, so rest assured that your information is secure with us. Next, review your transaction details and click on the exchange button. Within moments, your Ethereum from BITTREX will be swiftly converted into your PayPal, Skrill or bank account balance. It's that quick and efficient. With CoinChanger, there's no need to worry about lengthy verification processes or complicated procedures. We've designed our platform to make your life easier, ensuring that your Ethereum from BITTREX to PayPal, Skrill or bank transfers are seamless and easy. Imagine the convenience of instantly accessing your funds and utilizing them wherever PayPal, Skrill or bank is accepted. Whether you're a trader, and freelancer, or simply looking to make everyday payments, CoinChanger has got you covered. Experience the future of digital currency transfers today. Visit CoinChanger and unlock a world of effortless Ethereum from BITTREX to PayPal, Skrill or bank transactions. Remember, in 2024, transferring Ethereum from BITTREX to PayPal, Skrill or bank has never been easier with CoinChanger. Join us now and embrace the future of financial freedom. CoinChanger is here to empower you on your cryptocurrency exchange journey. Start transferring Ethereum from BITTREX to PayPal, Skrill or bank effortlessly today. Thanks for watching, and if you got any question, just write us or comment under this video so we can respond and help you.